The 2026 Jeep Wagoneer S isn't just another electric SUV. It's a bold declaration of how raw power and refined luxury can coexist in perfect harmony. Designed under Jeep's global EV initiative, the Wagoneer S takes the brand's legendary off-road heritage and fuses it with modern electric performance. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system that delivers an astonishing 600 horsepower and 617 lb-ft of instant torque. Power figures that place it in the same league as high-end electric SUVs from Tesla and Porsche. When you press the accelerator, there's no lag, no hesitation. Just a wave of instant, silent acceleration that thrusts the Wagoneer S from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.4 seconds. This is a level of performance few expected from Jeep, a brand traditionally known for rugged terrain vehicles. Yet here, they've built something that feels both primal and futuristic, an SUV that can dominate both city streets and wild trails with equal ease. The Wagoneer S is based on Stellantis TLA large platform, engineered specifically for electric performance vehicles. This lightweight yet rigid architecture provides excellent balance, ensuring that even with its size and power, the SUV maintains composure in corners and stability at high speeds. Jeep's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension system to offer a unique blend of agility and comfort, soft enough for everyday luxury, but firm when the driver demands control. Jeep has also introduced an advanced torque vectoring system, allowing each motor to deliver power independently. This means the Wagoneer S can send more torque to the wheels that need it most, ensuring superior traction on wet roads, gravel paths, or steep inclines. The result is a driving experience that feels intuitive, confident, and powerful in every condition. And while performance is at its heart, efficiency is not ignored. Thanks to regenerative braking and intelligent energy management, every drive becomes not just thrilling but also sustainable. In short, the Jeep Wagoneer S redefines what it means to drive an electric SUV, combining breathtaking acceleration, precision handling, and the untamed spirit of Jeep into one electrifying masterpiece. It's not just built to move, it's built to conquer. The 2026 Jeep Wagoneer S isn't just powerful, it's intelligent, efficient, and built for the electric age. Underneath its sculpted design lies the beating heart of its performance, a state-of-the-art 100 kW lithium-ion battery pack designed to balance raw strength with refined efficiency. This battery gives the Wagoneer S a driving range of over 300 miles, 480–500 km on a single charge, a figure that stands proudly among the best in the luxury EV class. Jeep engineers have carefully optimized the battery's chemistry and cooling systems to ensure consistent performance, whether you're gliding through London traffic or exploring the Scottish Highlands. The advanced thermal management system keeps the battery at its ideal temperature, preventing overheating during high-performance driving and maintaining range even in cold weather. When it comes to charging, the Wagoneer S shows no signs of compromise. With 800 V DC fast charging capability, this SUV can recharge from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes, giving you over 200 miles of driving range while you take a short coffee break. For home use, it supports level 2 AC charging, ideal for overnight top-ups through a standard wall charger. But what truly sets the Wagoneer S apart is how seamlessly it integrates technology with practicality. Jeep's intelligent charging management system lets drivers schedule charging times, monitor energy usage, and even pre-condition the cabin before starting a journey. All via the Jeep Connect app. This level of control makes owning a luxury electric SUV more convenient and personalized than ever. Beyond range and speed, Jeep has also focused on sustainability. The Wagoneer S uses recyclable materials in its battery casing and manufacturing process, aligning with Stellantis' goal of carbon neutrality by 2038. And thanks to regenerative braking, every time you slow down, the vehicle converts kinetic energy back into electricity, extending your range and making every drive more efficient. The result is an EV that doesn't just perform, it endures. The Jeep Wagoneer S transforms electric mobility into something grand, combining long-distance capability, quick recharging, and cutting-edge sustainability. It's not just built for the road, it's built for the future. Step inside the 2026 Jeep Wagoneer S, and you instantly realize this isn't just another electric SUV. It's a digital sanctuary on wheels. Jeep has designed the interior to feel like a first-class lounge where technology and craftsmanship meet in perfect balance. Every inch of the cabin whispers sophistication, from the premium leather, wrapped surfaces to the ambient LED lighting that can be customized to your mood. Dominating the dashboard are three panoramic digital displays, forming a seamless 45-inch digital experience. Directly ahead sits a crisp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, providing real-time data with ultra-smooth animation. The center hosts a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, powered by the latest Uconnect 5 system, offering fast responses, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in navigation with live traffic updates. For the passenger, a third display provides entertainment and navigation options without distracting the driver. An innovation rarely seen in this class, Jeep has paid meticulous attention to acoustic comfort. The cabin is engineered with active noise cancellation, double laminated glass, and advanced sound deadening materials, creating a tranquil atmosphere even at motorway speeds. And when you want to fill that silence, a 19-speaker Macintosh audio system with over 160 watts of power delivers studio-quality sound. It's not just loud, it's beautifully detailed, making every song feel alive. Comfort extends far beyond materials. The Wagoneer S features heated and ventilated front and rear seats, Ford-zone climate control, and massaging functions for the front seats. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, while the rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and reclining seats, turning every journey into a first-class experience. Technology extends to safety as well. The SUV is equipped with Jeep's Level 2 driver assistance system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera with 3D surround view. Every system is designed not just to protect, but to predict. The Jeep Wagoneer S interior represents the evolution of Jeep's philosophy, a fusion of digital intelligence and timeless comfort. It's a space designed not just to travel through, but to live in, blending power, peace, and precision into one unforgettable driving environment. The 2026 Jeep Wagoneer S may look sleek and futuristic, but beneath its sculpted body lies the untamed soul of Jeep, a brand built on adventure, resilience, and terrain-conquering heritage. Even as it embraces electrification, the Wagoneer S remains true to its DNA, the freedom to go anywhere, in any condition. At the heart of its off-road mastery is Jeep's legendary Select terrain traction management system, reimagined for the electric era. With 5 intuitive drive modes, Auto, Sport, Eco, Snow, and Sand, the Wagoneer S intelligently adjusts power distribution, throttle response, and torque control to suit every driving condition. In Auto mode, it delivers a balanced ride for daily drives, offering seamless performance and efficiency. Switch to Sport mode, and the electric motors unleash their full 600 horsepower fury, sharpening throttle response and enhancing steering feedback for an exhilarating, track-ready feel. But it's off the pavement where the Wagoneer S truly comes alive. In Snow mode, it carefully modulates torque between the front and rear motors, ensuring stability and control even on slippery frozen roads. Engage Sand mode, and the system allows a controlled amount of wheel slip, giving the tires enough freedom to dig in and propel forward through soft, shifting terrain. Every terrain mode operates in harmony with the advanced dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which can instantaneously transfer torque between wheels to maximize grip, faster than any mechanical system ever could. Supporting this intelligent traction is a precision-tuned suspension system that balances comfort with off-road strength. The low center of gravity from the battery placement enhances stability, while the reinforced underbody protects vital components during rough travel. Jeep has even engineered the electric powertrain to maintain performance at varying altitudes and weather conditions, proving that adventure doesn't stop where the road ends. And while it's built for toughness, the experience never sacrifices comfort. Drivers can glide over rocky trails or city potholes with the same level of refinement, thanks to adaptive damping and advanced chassis control. The Jeep Wagoneer S brings a new definition to trail-rated. It's not just about conquering the outdoors. It's about redefining what off-road excellence means in an electric world. Silent, powerful, and unstoppable, this is the future of adventure. The 2026 Jeep Wagoneer S isn't just another addition to the electric SUV market. It's a statement, a symbol that luxury, technology, and rugged power can coexist in one bold package. Jeep's first all-electric global SUV is set to reshape perceptions of what the brand stands for, not just a maker of off-road icons, but a pioneer of next-generation mobility. In the UK, the Wagoneer S is expected to arrive by late 2025 or early 2026, marking Jeep's official expansion into the premium EV segment. Although pricing hasn't been finalized, industry insiders and auto experts predict a starting figure around the $75,000 to $85,000, depending on trim levels and optional packages. This places it firmly among elite competitors like the Tesla, Model X, BMW X, and Audi Q8 e-tron, yet with a distinctly Jeep character that sets it apart. Jeep plans to offer the Wagoneer S in multiple trims, starting with a launch edition featuring every premium technology and design element, followed by more accessible variants later in the lineup. Each model will come equipped with dual-motor all-wheel drive, advanced Select terrain modes, and the brand's signature off-road toughness, but in a sleek, aerodynamic form factor unlike anything Jeep has built before. For Jeep, this vehicle represents more than a product. It's a milestone. The company has long been associated with combustion engines and rugged utility, but the Wagoneer S signals its commitment to a fully electric future under Stellantis' multi-billion-dollar electrification strategy. It will be produced in North America and distributed globally, with the UK and Europe being key markets for its international success. In terms of impact, analysts expect the Wagoneer S to attract a new kind of buyer. Those who crave luxury and technology, but refuse to give up the freedom and identity that come with owning a Jeep. It's a bridge between tradition and transformation, between the trails of the past and the roads of tomorrow. As it makes its debut, one thing is certain, the Jeep Wagoneer S will not only electrify the roads but redefine what a luxury adventure SUV can be: bold, silent, iconic, and unmistakably Jeep.